Let's learn to work with the autopilot mode of operation of Pichondria. This mode lets the Pichondria take control of the shutdown and turn on process. To check for the current mode, use the function check autopilot mode. We can see that the autopilot mode is turned on. Let's turn off the autopilot mode using the function disable autopilot. We can see that the autopilot mode is now disabled. Let's enable it using the function enable autopilot and check if the changes have taken effect. We can see that the autopilot mode is now enabled.